Bine ați revenit la Spy Shop. Astăzi suntem aici la Motorline, în Barcelos, Portugalia, și o să fac o tură a fabricii, să vedeți toate secțiunile, fiecare automatizare în parte, și o să ne ajute managerul tehnic, Armindo.
Here we have the Telica table to assemble. We will show you how we assemble the Telica motor. We start with the către only, and step by step it's another thing important some people don't know. And after install, this is to the wall and this is on back of motor. And if you don't pay attention, you don't see the limit switch, and you try move the control board and oh, the motor stop in the middle. Oh.
do you have two of the same?
One to opening
One to
or
open,
to
one to
close.
I was curious, why do you use the capacitor?
Every motor's AC 230 needs the capacitor. The capacitor will, it's like give the order, move to the left or move to the right. Without capacitor, the AC motor don't move. Stay making noise, but don't move. Because you don't know who side will move. Now it's the piece that will touch on limit switch. Okay, this is the final test. These tables are made with this system. This system here inside have a strong spring to check if the motor have force or not. Testing the limit switch, if it's working. And here we can see the consumption of motor. This is the consumption of motor, it's okay.
1.5 amps?
Yes,
Something like
maximum, maximum.
That's fine.
Checking the release system. Works because it's very strong, the spring inside. Good. Final test now. In this case depends if we are producing kits. One goes only with the wires and the other one goes with the control board on top.
Is the plate for the control board?
Yes.
Vamos conseguir acabar aqui. Já está.
It's ready.